Hello everyone, my name is Rashmi Jain. I am 4th year law student from Amity University, Mumbai. Currently, I am an intern at UB Advocate. I'll speak on powers and functions of Bar Council of India. The Bar Council of India is a statutory body created by Parliament to regulate and represent the Indian bar. It performed the regulatory function by prescribing standards of professional conduct and by exercising disciplinary jurisdiction over the bar. They also set standards for legal education and grant recognition to universities whose degree in law will serve as qualification for enrollment as an advocate. Bar Council of India, headquartered at Delhi, is a constitutional body under the Advocate Act 1961. BCI regulates legal education and professional standard in India, including directing the state bar counseling, law education and course, the framework at the universities and law college in India, as well as conducting all India bar exam to grant certificate of practice to advocates practicing law in India. BCI also fund welfare schemes for economically weaker and physically handicapped advocates. Powers of Bar Council of India. Bar Council of India, under its formation, has been given power to regulate many things. Few major powers that BCI holds are divided among the committees set up by the Advocates Act. Section 9 of the Act sets up the Legal Education Committee, and under Section 10 an Executive Committee is set up. Chapter 3 of the Bar Council of India rule permits the Council to form more committees in addition to those specified in the Act. The Council also has the power to delegate the duties or functions to these committees. Legal Education Committee has the power to make recommendation to the Council for laying the standard of legal education. The committees also goes for inspection to different university and report to BCI. Disciplinary Committee of BCI hear an application for revision by person against summary dismissal of their complaint against advocate for professional misconduct by the State Bar Council. Executive Committee deals with all the questions related to the management of fund, affair of the staff, allotment of work, audit, accounts, library, etc. Advocate Welfare Committee is empowered by Advocate Welfare Act 2001. This committee looks after the application procedure made by the advocates for welfare fund. It also verifies that application and provide the fund. Other committees look after the infrastructure of the council's office across the country.